Hey, how's it going, everyone? This video is for people who are working in machine learning or looking to get into the field. Today, we're going to look at the pronunciation of the 4 types of machine learning model deployment types. And we're going to check out this list here from my man. Sorry if I butcher your name, 𝗟𝗲𝗵𝗵𝗶. And you can see that he is a super qualified, experienced data engineer. He's also a top data science voice here on LinkedIn. So if you're looking for more content like this, make sure to check him out. Here we go with the list. Let's check out the cool graphic. First, we have bætʃ, stream, real time, edge. So there you go. Now you can communicate with your colleagues in a clear and professional sounding American English. And again, don't forget to check out 𝗟𝗲𝗵𝗵 for more great content like this. And now that you know this, you just boosted up your English.